I believe these in the front gotta come out. All right, we got the top off. That's the boat we looking for right there. Stay tuned. You're gonna have a little drip everywhere just because how the pole set up under there. But you're gonna try to get as much of that you can off. So I'm about to try to get that cleaned up. Alright, we got that all cleaned up and wiped down as best as we can. It is still dripping though, so we're gonna let it drip for a little while longer. Still dripping. Alright, like we just about done, so we're gonna wipe the rest of this little drippy drip off. See what it's looking like. If it's looking right, we're gonna get the bolt on there and get it tight. Damn, should be a wrap. Alright, we let it drip about 30 minutes. That's just about it. We'll get our bolt back on there. Got our bolt back on there, got it tight, not too tight. Everything cleaned up and wiped down the best we can. Let's get it strapped back up. All right, we're about to add our oil, 5W40. That's what's recommended for this vehicle. Find out what's recommended for yours first. Let's get it done. It takes 7 courses, 5. I got 2 more down there, and we got our filter. All right, after you get all your oil in, you just want to clean up around that area as well. Let's give it a good wipe down. That's how it goes. You want to check your dipstick. It should be right in the middle. That's what we wanted at. Give it a good wipe off. That's what I'm doing right now. Wipe it down real quick. There we go. Wipe it off and do it one more time. Right there in that middle part, that's what you want. That's what you want to see wet. Looks good. Not too much on the max. Looks good. All right. Here's your filter right here. You're gonna need a 36 socket to get that off. Here's the brand. Best recommended brand again for this model. Make sure you find the right brand for your model. All right, once you get inside your vehicle after the oil change, you go ahead and reset everything. You're gonna go to car, servicing and checks. You're gonna stroll down the service intervals. Oil change due. Reset oil change interval. Are you sure you want to reset the oil change interval? Yes. There it is. You're done.